Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto clicker on your Android phone. So let's get started. So most Android phones by default don't have a way to actually use the auto clicker that's built in. So you need an app to do this. So just make your way over to the Play Store, and then in the Play Store, go to the search bar here and then search up auto clicker. And once you search up auto clicker, there are tons of auto clicker app that you can use. You don't have to root or jailbreak your device. You can use any of these apps. Again, a lot of popular ones. One of the top ones I see right here, for example, auto clicker. This has over 100 million downloads, so it must be good. So I'll install this one. And once you install it, you're going to go ahead and open it. It's going to ask you to give it permission in order to do this. So you're going to have to give it permission. So you're going to allow. So click on auto clicker, and basically you'll allow that permission. Now, once you do allow this here, you're going to have to go ahead and turn it on basically to allow access in order to do that. And if you want a shortcut, you can also turn that on to have a shortcut here, but that's not necessary. Now with this on, basically we'll go ahead and open up the auto clicker app itself, and we can have two different types. It could be a single target or a multi one. So if you're doing two different or a couple of targets, you can do that, or you can do a single one. You can tap on settings here to adjust it. For example, if you wanted to do maybe instead of 300, maybe 200, and then how long you want it to run indefinitely or specific time, maybe you want that, how many cycles you want it to do. So you can also specify like any number of cycles, and then any other settings as well you see. Once you adjust all this, you're ready to go. You can also do any of this. So we're going to go ahead and enable. You're going to see basically a single dot, and this is basically where you want the auto clicker to adjust to. You can see these options here to configure it, so you can exit out of it. For example, you'll see a navigation here. I can configure it. So if I tap on something, right, and I click on something here and I want to run it, right, you just click on it and it will start running that auto clicker just like that, as you can see here. In order to stop it, you can tap on it, or it will stop based on however many cycles or interval or how long ever you want it to run. And that's how you run it. And if you wanted to kind of turn it off, all you'll do is go back into that auto clicker setting, and then you'll tap on disable and it'll be removed just like that. So that's how you run or use auto clicker on your Android phone. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.